Nowadays, with people buying ever bigger TVs, 55, 60, 65 are quite normal. But what we do find is people often want a bigger TV, but they don't want to change their piece of furniture. Maybe it's Urkel, maybe it matches something else in the room, or maybe you just don't like the modern stands. So if the TV, with its wide apart feet, won't fit your stand, what can you do? We have this innovative product from SANUS, which is an extra stand that could be added onto any television. It literally just bolts onto the back of the TV on the holes that are designed for wall mounting a television. So all TVs have them. Once it's fitted, the TV hangs back on here and is then fixed in place. This is an example of the slightly bigger product from SANUS. And with this one, I've fitted this pedestal onto the TV, whose legs would normally have been too big for this stand. But once fitted, it gives you the ability to turn the TV really, really easily. And as I say, it's suitable for all televisions, because all TVs nowadays do come with holes to wall mount. So that frame is literally just bolted onto the holes where you would normally put wall brackets. The pedestal sits at the back, the TV can move, and you reduce the footprint of the TV onto your stand massively. They're a superb product, suitable for any TV, and it just means if you fancy a bigger TV and don't want to change your furniture, which may be a very costly expense, we've got a solution.